So we've just finished up our November 2019 Dyno evening. This will be the last Dyno night of the year. However, there is a Christmas Dyno day on our online shop now if anyone wants to come down. This was another sellout night, as have pretty much all but one this year have been. So if you want to come to our Christmas Dyno day, it's on our online shop at thetuningssociety.co.uk. You can book up. There'll be 30 to 40 spaces rather than the usual 15 we have on the Dyno night. So all the people who come down tonight who really wanted to get on and but couldn't, book on the Christmas Dyno day. There'll be plenty more spaces. Thank you to everyone who's come over the year. We'll start the Dyno nights again in January, and if anyone wants to get a power on at any time, just give us a call. We can accommodate during the week or weekends normally. But yeah, it's been a successful night, good night. Everything from 160 horsepower to nearly 700 horsepower tonight. Huge variety, and I'm going to share the clips of all the cars that run tonight with you.